Hope he didn't think you waved him down. I'll go over there and talk, see what he... And here I thought they were going to stop to help. Oh, yeah. No, I just wanted to see. Is this where they did the bombing out here or farther away?
But, Trinity site.
What is that? All the way up there. See, all the way up there?
Probably.
I don't know what that is. Anyway. How much you got?
One shot, right?
Alright. 40 pounds. Oh, it stopped. Run, Forrest. Alright, battery number 3. Half a battery, rather. Need a better rubber band. Surprised they don't have a latch on it to hold.
Yeah, it's really a design problem.
Yeah, it is. Alright, so we're at 47.5. Getting there. Been here for about an hour and a half. Cut up some apples, had a drink. We're at 60. Wow. Hey, it says it's at 60 right now over there.
Huh?
It's at 60.
Yeah, the truck is happy, so we can stop.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. All right. All right. This is a poke and hope. So we poked it. Now we're gonna hope it's gonna work. Woo!